No. What do you think? You fight?
Hilarious. Say Happy New Year's Eve. You're nuts. Happy New Year's Eve, everybody. Hope you're all having a wonderful last day of the year. I don't know about y'all, but I can't wait for the new year to start, 2025. I'm very much looking forward to all the things that we have in store for it. Should be a lot of fun and a lot of changes, a lot of good things coming, and I'm just very excited for it. We're gonna have a low-key kind of New Year's Eve tonight. We're gonna go to my mom's. We're making pizza. Well, we're making pizza here, bringing it over to my mom's. Probably playing some like card games and board games and stuff, and then just ringing in the new year with our family, and then maybe 2 of our friends are coming. But that is how we're ringing in the new year, because we just want to relax and enjoy and ease into it. But today, Barry and I do have to run some errands, so we're going to go to Sam's Club, and we're going to bring you along. It's nothing crazy. It's just a couple of essential items that we need. And then we're going to come home, hang out. I'm probably going to straighten up, and then, yeah, just enjoy the rest of the day. Are you going to help me clean?
No.
That's honest. That was a very honest answer. Gotta love it. And we just want to say thank you, everyone who has been with us from the beginning and has come along throughout the journey. Thank you so much for being here. We really appreciate it. We're super grateful for you guys. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. We have a lot of fun things, and if you don't know who we are the Maitas. We vlog our daily lives, but we try to make it as entertaining as possible. So we do a lot of horseback riding videos. Unfortunately, we live in Tennessee, so we get a lot of crazy weather.
Mama.
What, honey? I love you. A lot of weather videos, lots of traveling when we do travel, cooking. I mean, we do it all. So if you are watching our videos and you're enjoying them, make sure to subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. I'm going to make it my New Year's resolution to be more active on Instagram going forward. I have been horrible with it for the last 2 years, so I'm going to really try my hardest to make sure I'm uploading there all the time too. So thanks again for being with us. We love you so much. See you in a little bit. Are you a pain in the butt? Yep.
Yeah.
You got the rotisserie, the milk, the Kendall's milk, water, pepperoni. We need chocolate syrup chips. One, go put it in. 2. Scan and go for Sam's Club. My favorite thing. Kendall, that's it. Well, my plan today did not go accordingly. We went to Sam's, got the things that we needed, and then when we came home, Kendall and I proceeded to take a nap. What was supposed to be 1 hour turned into 3.
They slept in hyperspace and traveled to distant planets.
Apparently, we were exhausted. So, I'm now up. I straightened up my kitchen. I hate you. I'm now up, straightened up the kitchen, and now I'm proceeding to make my Alfredo sauce for the tortellini Alfredo pizza that we're having tonight, along with our other pizzas, pepperoni and plain. Can you stop doing that? Oh my God, he's so annoying. Anyway, we're having pepperoni pizza, plain pizza, and tortellini pizza tonight.
Let's rephrase that. I'm having pepperoni pizza.
I'm sure someone else is gonna have pepperoni pizza.
I'm having pepperoni.
And then we're gonna go to my mom's with all the pizzas.
Yeah, fight for that pizza.
And we're gonna have a fun night watching the ball drop in New York. Hopefully everyone stays awake for it. Kendall and I should stay awake since we slept for 3 hours.
I'm gonna fall asleep. You're not gonna stay awake. Happy New Year, everyone. I'm hoping 2025 is better than 2024. Happy New Year. Be safe. Good health. Hope everything is well. That goes for me double.
Yeah, okay. So we hope you are all having a great night, doing lots of fun things, hanging out with family and friends and ringing in the new year. Nice. Maybe next year we'll ring in the new year in a big way. But this year, low-key.
Low-key's good. Low-key. It's good.
So you want this to be nice and cool when it goes on the pizza dough. Otherwise the pizza dough doesn't want to move off of the tray. So this is gonna go in the freezer now to cool off a lot before I cook it.
Oh my gosh, you're so cute.
The game just started, it's already
How much is this?
Oh, I get $50.
Nice. And you get another double and you go to jail.
What is that?
Double that.
What is it?
Shrinkflation.
Luxury attack, hey.
How come luxury?
You have to pay
I have to
$100.
pay tax on that? I'm starting a revolution.
Welcome to the USA.
Do I have the most right?
You want to talk about how privileged people? Oh no.
Can you pass them that? I'll send you the closing papers later.
No, right now.
Someone stole the
I don't wait.
Reach, my arms are short. Ariana, like Ariana.
Logan.
Be helpful, child.
Marvin!
$24, please.
Is the landlord of all landlords here.
Federal Reserve right here.
here, baby.
Needs a break from losing money.
5.
I can't lie. She's
I can't lie.
I want
The shoes over there.
You just did her to jail.
some of those cars.
I just sent you to jail.
I told you I was coming.
Jail. The first spin she doesn't do, she goes right to jail.
Dave would be the one to get you in jail. I paid $50. Where were you? How much? 50?
Yes.
Stephanie, you're getting beat up over here.
Keep trying to trade me something that's more valuable to me.
It's not your turn
Get
anymore.
out of here, Muppets.
Oh, come on. I want more money.
Did you get me out?
No. Nope.
I didn't roll doubles.
Well, all you have to do is pay $50.
Save.
You're in jail, not me, baby.
Yeah, do that.
Ariana is the most miserable when she has to give money to someone.
$12. It's not that
$12.
expensive, honey.
Okay.
No, I gotta do it.
What is the only kiss I always get from you? Alright everyone, hope you all had a lovely New Year's Eve. We are tired and going to bed. So we will see you all again tomorrow.
Peace out.
Peace out everybody.
Time for bed.
Happy New Year. Make sure you get home safe. See you soon. Bye. Oh my gosh, you're so cute.